how to fix the app not installed problem on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the app not installed problem on Android quickly and easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here's step 1, that is to check the storage space. So here make sure that your phone has enough storage for the app. If not, then you can simply go to the storage section and free up the space if needed. And with that, moving forward to the step 2, that is to enable the unknown sources. So here, simply scroll down to the settings section and tap on apps. And now here in this section, simply type in special app access, or if you don't found it, you can simply tap on it, and here make sure that you select the app like Chrome or File Manager and allow from this source. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear package installer cache. So here simply go to the settings section, and from here simply tap on apps and tap on manage apps. And now here in this section just tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for the package installer. And here once you're inside it, just tap on clear data to clear the cache and confirm it. And with that, it will often fix the installation issue. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to uninstall the conflicting app. So here, if you're using the older version of the app, then you simply have to uninstall it first and then try reinstalling again in the new version. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to reboot your phone. So here you can restart your device and try installing the app again. And once you do that, a fresh restart often resolves the issue. And that's it. That's how you can fix the app not installed problem on Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.